Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Today we're going to create a program that checks if there's capital letters or underscores in a string, and if they are, it will store them in an array. So let's just start. Let's just create an array here. So that's going to be my store password. Okay, now we're going to create a subroutine called enter password. I'm going to print a message to the user so they know what to do. Must contain capitals and underscores. So when they enter the string, they know what to put in. So I'm going to print enter new password. Okay, so my scalar entry is equal to standard input chomp scalar entry. Okay, so if scalar entry I have a problem with my keyboard. I can't get Mr. Squiggly, so what I've done is I've saved him somewhere. Oh dear, what's happened there? 1 second. Let's have a look for Mr. Squiggly. Yeah, because this is broken on my keyboard, so I had to save it in here. Just copy that. It's broken, so it gives me a little bit of a problem on this computer, so I'll just paste that in there. Okay. Alright, so first of all we're looking for underscores. And scalar entry equal to, these are the capitals, so it's going to be capital A to Z. Okay. Right, so if we got those, we can print a message. Print strong password. Okay. And now we're going to push it into the array, which is going to be called store and password entry. Okay, and then we're going to print it out to show the user that it actually went into that array. Stored in array. It's going to be store password. Okay. Or else we're going to have to do something else, which is going to be here else print password doesn't contain upper or underscores. Okay. Right, okay, all we have to do now is to call the program, which is called enter password. Okay, let's just save it. Okay, so let's type in a password. So I'm going to put Dave and then do an uppercase there. So a strong password, and it's stored it in the array. Now let's do the opposite. Just some random lowercase. There we go. Password doesn't contain upper or underscore. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.